Discover how simple it is to create stunning geometric art. Using Blender's grease pencil, we'll build complex patterns quickly and easily. Let's dive in. In Blender's object mode, start by adding an empty object with plain axes. By default, this will be placed at the center of the workspace. In Draw mode, using the pencil tool, draw a square and use it as a measurement unit by repeating it 4 times. Draw a circle as shown. Draw 3 horizontal lines using the square as a reference. Repeat these lines 3 times, rotating them by 45 degrees each time to create angles at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees. Draw a square with its corner positioned on the 3rd square. Repeat that square but rotated 45 degrees. Draw a new square with its corner on the 4th square, then copy and rotate it by 45 degrees. Draw a 3rd square with one side positioned at the midpoint of the 4th square. Draw a larger square as a reference to create an octagon. At this stage, the primary help lines are complete. Switch to the pen tool and begin drawing a small square as shown. Repeat this square around the center, rotating it by 45 degrees each time to complete the ring. Now you can draw an 8-pointed star at the center. Draw a second, larger 8-pointed star using the help lines as a guide. On the sides of the outermost square, draw an octagon. Redraw the previous reference octagon, but start the sides as extensions of the small squares drawn earlier, leaving a space in the center of each side. Draw 8 squares circumscribed around the reference circle. Use a rotation angle of 22.5 degrees. This creates a 16-pointed star. Use it to draw a 16-sided polygon around the perimeter. Draw another 16-sided polygon, making it slightly larger. Now that the drawing is finished, trace the entire shape with a bold black line. Repeat the shape with a finer white line, separating the lines so they alternate one above the other. Use the fill mode to color the shapes with your favorite colors. Finally, frame the shape with an octagon and a background color. And that's our finished design. I hope you enjoyed creating this pattern with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about these steps, or if you want to dive deeper into the grease pencil drawing process, I highly recommend checking out my previous videos where I break down the basics in much more detail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.